Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what we say. Oh, well, what I say. Any day above and not under, y'all, it's a blessed day. What time is it? You gonna sing it with me, mommy?
Come on.
It's time mukbang.
Yeah,
Welcome back to another mukbang eating show with your girl Shoshana. So today I have for you guys a new little local joint around the neighborhood. Don't ask me what the name is. I forgot. But it is a gyro place, so guess what we got? A fat gyro. And we have some onion rings, and I have a bottle of water today to keep it 0 calories. Nothing like H2O. Anyways, foodie fam, let's dig in. Going for the onion rings first.
That sounds crunchy.
Onions are sweet.
Can I get one?
Stay over there. She had a chili dog and fried. Hey y'all. Mommy has not been feeling good. So you guys gotta bear with me. But y'all, let me tell you, somebody at my job was like, I'm gonna start calling you Smiles, cause you always smiling. I'm like, I'm shocked. People normally say I look mean.
Really?
Yeah, cause if you don't talk to me enough, like it's just a resting face. So like my regular expressions, I guess it's not very approachable. But I mean, once you approach me,
I get that too.
Sweetest person you probably ever know.
That's what they say. Yeah, girl, you be looking so mean until somebody gets to know you. Like,
And sometimes it's just that first word, like, "Hey, how you doing?" And then I'm the type of person, like, I know who I'm gonna click with off the first conversation. Like, I know, ooh, I'm gonna talk to her, that's my G, or I'm gonna leave you alone, I'm gonna say hi to you and keep pushing. If you try to disrespect me, then you ain't gonna get nothing. You might get these hands.
Uh-oh.
Ew. Me and my coworker, shout out to Dominique. She was like, I guess because I'm always so calm, just chill, like I'm at work, so I don't really do too much besides act a little silly.
A little?
Yeah. I was telling her about a situation that transpired, and she was looking at me, like, oh my God.
Oh wow.
So then I told her that I was going to therapy a while, years ago, and she was like, what, the crazy one? I'm like, girl, I am not crazy. Hey.
Therapy helps.
It does.
That's what people need to realize. If you need help, seek it.
People have degrees to sit there and listen to you and help you do whatever problem you
figure
have.
out how to deal with your situation.
Everybody think their therapist is social media. Oh my God. Stop. She's trying to put her little chili dog. Here, mama. Look, she's too much.
You made it far.
No.
Kiss it up to God.
She kissed it up to God. I feel clean, mind your business. Y'all. I mean, I think today was a good day at work. One more day. That's what I say. One more day. Mm-hmm.
These onion rings are good.
Mm-hmm. Put you on life. Say I put you on.
You put me on. They're really good. They nice and firm.
Mm-hmm. And they stay firm because these are pretty much cold and I still get a good
Crunch.
ASMR. It's something about like crunchy food that's just like I'm not a big crunchy person, but
It's
like,
satisfying.
yeah. Like onion rings have to be crunchy. Like don't give me no salty onion ring. Which way do right? And that's why people like local restaurants because typically it's the same cook. Typically. You know, sometimes they do have cooks that rotate, but food's gonna taste good regardless. When you do McDonald's and stuff, then you got, oh God, then you're gonna have your favorite McDonald's because, and then even sometimes your favorite McDonald's, they messed up. Just all bad.
That is your food.
Why'd you, leave me alone. This is not your mukbang. We rambling together, ain't that right? Mm-hmm.
That's because I like to eat my food.
What about that? No, go on eat.
When I'm eating, I just like to get to the food.
Honestly, I'm not talking to y'all no different than if me and my family was sitting at the dining room table, eating dinner together, and we all just have conversations flowing throughout the table.
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly how I treat eating with you guys. No different. Y'all are FOODIE fam. My cousins. Aunties. Uncles, all that.
And she do love to talk.
I'm an Aries, what do you expect?
Oh my mercy.
Mm-hmm. Very talkative.
Man.
Just because you finished your whole meal and the time it took me to finish my onion ring, don't mean nothing. Don't be mad because now you have to watch me eat this gyro.
That gyro is good, and I know that gyro is good.
My mama loves gyros. Let's put that out there. It's one of her favorite things. They interrupted my videos.
That wasn't even loud. They didn't hear it. You mean? Give me a bite.
No.
Yeah.
Stay over there. With your non-existent hot dog anymore.
I demolished that thing.
Mm-hmm.
I demolished it.
Mm-hmm.
How are y'all? How is everybody doing? Y'all welcome all the new FOODIE fam. Thank y'all for subscribing.
Hey, Mom, you
Look
want
at that
some?
sloppy face. Nice food.
Not you, my mommy, me to eat your food. But I'm not bib today, y'all. Not too late, though. Hold on.
Excuse me.
She does nothing but the hits. Gotta put that tomato back up there, baby. That tomato is kind of orange. Ooh. If y'all can see how we really, well, y'all can see me, but you should see her too.
Oh my word.
This pita is too small.
I love pita bread. I love everything about a gyro. I love the bread it's on. It's nice and soft. And the meat is just, the onion, the sauce,
Sounds like someone should just did mukbang today.
Y'all, I really couldn't do no mukbang today.
I did 1,010. I burnt 1,010 calories today.
You just gained it all back.
Yes, I did.
And then some. Y'all, I got some changes coming because I'm putting on too much daggone weight.
This girl's legs can't support it.
I'm too short for that. So I think I'm ready now. I'm finally ready. I finally made my mind up. So.
Normally, by now, me and my mom will probably be at our lowest weight for the year. And we'll typically gain it back all in the winter time. But, you know, this year has been like all year.
And it hurts. Baby, it hurts. I could feel all that weight, all this weight that I gained. Oh my God, I could feel it. I was walking today and my daggone knees, I'm like, oh heck, you know, because I was going up the stairs. I'm like, oh no, baby. It's time to hit the gym. It's time to get on a different eating regimen. It's time to get this sucker off. This no.
And what people don't know is, you know, like, I don't know this because of my mom, but you can train yourself to stop snacking. You can train yourself to do whatever you want.
You can. They say it takes 2 weeks to break a habit.
I feel like for me personally, it takes like 2 weeks and a half.
Yeah, some people longer.
Yeah, it's
but
different.
they say it typically takes 2 weeks to break a habit. And, you know, but in the same breath, it still takes to lose weight or to get on a life-changing lifestyle for me. It's like you have to be mentally prepared. You have to be mentally ready, because when you're not mentally ready, then you lack focus, and as soon as you start, you'll quit. Because I mean, going through the first few weeks, it's tough. You know, trying to stop with the sugars.
But you know what? What's funny about that is that some people, it's a slight percentage, but some people stick it out. And they'll go through the diet and so get where they want to be. And then a few months later, you see them, they're right back where they started.
And you're bigger than before.
Yeah.
When you do that, it's like you binge eat. Like,
Yeah, because
man,
you just was
you
like, I
gained
missed
all-
everything.
Yeah, you gained all that weight back and then some. So, but you know, it's about moderation when it comes to eating. It's about moderation and about to me at least.
I remember
and
my
cutting
mom.
back.
Well, mom, it's about discipline, and which discipline is a mental thing. That's what I'm saying.
It
Like,
is.
to get up, to go to the gym, to eat right. Well, some people, they can routine it in their life, but it's not. It's like, once you lose the weight, the goal is to maintain that weight loss, tone up, then you on to the next phase, which is toning up, getting specific body parts. Like if you're a booty, you want your booty up, that's the time. Get them glutes working. You done lost the fat. Now you got to tone it up. But shoot, you should be toning up while you losing the fat too.
Yeah, you should be working out.
Because if you're not toning up while you losing weight, then you just, it's a whole nother process.
Weight loss is what they say, 80% eating and 20% or 10% exercise. So it's really about your
food.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, one thing I love to use Tarzan as an example.
She said Tarzan.
Because when you think of Tarzan, he's physically fit. He's very fit, and that's because he has to do things throughout the jungle for daily survival, and that's something that now in society we do not have to do because you just pay a bill and it's done, right? Okay. So it's like,
yeah, we not doing as much. That's why we gained the weight. So,
yeah,
just that's why when you look at the kids. Kids that go outside and play all day, they stay little versus the one that's just inside playing on the computers. Now
on the phones. Cause man, it's like the kids,
It's like
they be 3 years old with an iPhone.
Eat, sleep, and breathe the computer. And
man, I'm not saying nothing's wrong with that, but
there's something wrong with that. Kids need to get out.
Yeah, but it's like, okay, like my mom, she's like, she let us go out, but it's like she kind of strict on it. She's structured.
I believe kids need that.
Yeah. She does, and I'm not saying nothing wrong with that, because to be honest, that's the way I'm gonna raise my kids when I eventually have some. But
I don't believe in just having your kids outside running wild. No.
yeah, it's too much craziness.
I don't believe in that. I believe if my child is outside, I'm not gonna be too far behind. I'm somewhere right in the cut.
Right.
And you can't go no further than my eyes can see. Okay, let's get that.
And when the street lights on, you better be back here.
You
before they own.
You know it. Better be in